Now, as I told you earlier, I do have a table called test underscore STU, a very simple table, which has student ID, which is the primary key, name, city, and then 3 marks of the student. Now, you very well know, if I give you a query like, find the details of the students who reside in Kochi. Type in a chat box what will be. Okay. So, I'm getting the name of the students who are from Kochi. I can even give select star, which means I will be getting all the details, or I can even be giving like SID under SID comma name comma city. Anyway, I will be getting all the details of the students from Kochi. Now, let me just modify my question and tell you the students in Kochi store their details in a new table. Okay, so I do have some students from the city called Kochi. Now the question is, create a small new table and then these particular details, store it in that table. So I'll just write over here SID, S name, and let's say city. Okay, so this will give me the details of the students who are in Kochi. You know that. SID, S, it was not S name, it was just name. Okay, so you very well know that this particular query, it gives me the details of the students in Kochi. Now the question is, have a new table and a portion of this means, just this much, a portion of this, that you will get it via a query. Store it in another table. So what we will learn now is, how do you create a subtable from an existing table? Okay, you have an existing table. This is your existing table. From this table, how will you create a subtable? Like, a subtable will always be an answer for some question. Here I get the name, or, like here I get the answer, the details together with the name. I even get SID, city and all that. So what I want now is, from my existing table, I want to create a subtable. So let's see how we will do that. Now, let's say that new table, will give a name for it. I'll give a name STU underscore Kochi, the students who are in Kochi. So this is how you do it. Create table. You're creating a table, isn't it? You're creating a new table, be it a subtable or a parent table. Anyway, it is a table. So you are creating a table called student Kochi as. You will be using the keyword as. And what should be the contents in that table? The contents should be this. It should be the ID, name, city from test underscore STU, where city is equal to Kochi. So what happens now is, you will have a new field created called STU underscore Kochi. Whatever is the data type of SID will be taken as the SID even in your new STU Kochi. The name, whatever is the data type, that will be taken. City also the same. Let's see what happens. I'll just copy this and paste it this side. Okay, now they're telling me a new table called STU Kochi is created. Let's see the description of STU Kochi. STU underscore Kochi. Look here, SID number 3. If you look here, SID number 3. Same. Name Varkar 210. Name Varkar 210. City Varkar 210. City Varkar 210. But mind you, if you remember in your parent table, SID was the primary key. It was a primary key over there. Here, it will not have that primary key concept. It's just the content of the tables are copied. Anyway, let's see what is the content of the table. Select star from STU underscore Kochi. Okay, it had these details. It had the details of my query. the same Brian and Joanna. So this is how you create a subtable from an existing table. Okay, you will work a query and then the answers of the query, you will be putting it in your table. So yeah, let's see something else. I'm creating a new table called Kochi1. Select star. Okay, whatever details are there in my test underscore STU with Kochi, I want that. If I work on this particular query, if I put it over here, you know what will be the answer. Okay, I have all these details. So what I'm planning to do is, I am planning to make a new table called STU Kochi1, which has all these details. The earlier tables just had SID, name and city. But now what I want is I want all the details. So I'll just copy this. I will put it here. All that. Let's see. Desk STU underscore Kochi1. STU, it is STU underscore Kochi. Okay, I have all the details. If you remember M1, M2, M3, they were number 3. All that will work. Select star from STU underscore Kochi. You will get all the details. So, based on any condition, from any table, any set of fields, you will be able to create a subtable from a parent table.